Model, 2020 Volkswagen Crafter Cr35 Startline Tdi Luton box, van with tail lift, low miles. Body, white, Luton box. Mileage, 95,370. MOT, the 3rd of March 2026. Engine, 1968 cc 2.0 TDI 102 PS EU6. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls well in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy, you can tell this has been well looked after. Interior is extremely clean and tidy, almost feels brand new. Rear load area looks virtually unused with plenty life in it, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 1 former keeper, 12 months MOT, electric windows, tailift in working order. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more